hold up, yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which, to be honest, I think this kind of video is going to be maybe my favourite to film, because every single month I'm going to be filming a monthly favourites, and that's what this video is. So in today's video I'm going to be showcasing to you 5 of my favourite pickups that I copped in January. Okay, so before we get into my January favourites, I want you to do one thing. Pause this video right now, go down below and smash that thumbs up button, because it helps the channel so much with the YouTube algorithm and all that kind of stuff. So pause the video, go down below, smash that thumbs up button. Obviously, if you're new, make sure you hit subscribe. Okay, so on to the monthly favourites, and favourite number 1 obviously had to be the Balenciaga track. Honestly, an absolute grail of mine. I've been wanting, as you guys know, I've been wanting this sneaker for such a long time, and basically I finally pulled the plug and copped them, because obviously they're not cheap. I paid £605, I think it was. Not cheap whatsoever, but it is my first ever high-end piece. I did make a video unboxing these, so make sure you go and check it out. I'll leave a card on top and it will also be linked in the description down below. But yeah, like I said before, my first ever high-end piece. However, I can see myself maybe a little bit later in the year kind of adding a little bit more high-end into my wardrobe, but kind of making sure it makes sense, because I don't want to just be dropping a load of money for no reason whatsoever, because there's so many affordable alternatives out there. But I do want to start adding a couple more high-end pieces to my wardrobe that kind of makes sense. So yeah, favourite number 1, the Balenciaga track V1s in the all-white colourway. And then moving on to item or favourite number 2, and you just know there's not going to be a monthly favourite video on this channel without me including a puffer jacket. If you know me, you know I have so many different puffers, different colorways, different cuts. I got this from Asos. I do want to put it out there that this puffer was gifted from Asos. However, I got the details for it here. Everything is going to be linked in the description down below, but this is currently £55. I am just about 6 foot, and I actually got this in a size XL because I kind of like that oversized look. So yeah, favorite number 2 is this like iceberg, like washed out blue / grey puffer jacket from Asos. Like I said, there's not going to be a favorite video of mine without a puffer jacket. And then moving on to item number 3, and that is this like kind of like this like suede worker jacket. And again, I do want to say that this was also gifted from Asos, but honestly currently an absolute steal. It's currently reduced from £45 down to £18, so this is gonna fly. It's gonna be linked in the description down below, so make sure if you like it, grab it while it's in stock. But yeah, super. If you know me, you know I am all about this jacket. The color, the fit, everything about this I absolutely love. Now again, I got this in an XL to kind of have that oversized feel to it, but honestly I am so happy with this jacket. Favorite or item number 3 is this worker jacket from Asos, a current bargain at £18. And then moving on to item number 4, and that is going to be these, although there is 2 here, but they're the same t-shirt. I've actually got 3. I've also got a white one as well, but it's in the wash. But my 4th favourite pickup of the month is without a doubt going to be these Weekday. So I picked these up from Weekday, but they are like an oversized, just an oversized basics tee. The quality of the t-shirts and the fabric of the t-shirts I am very happy with. They are 100% brushed cotton, so really soft to touch. And what I like about these is, one, obviously I like the fit. You guys know that I love oversized t-shirts, but I also like how high and thick the neck hem is. So that's something that I always look for when trying to find a basics tee. But yeah, my 4th favorite pickup of the month is the oversized great t-shirts from Weekday. Now, moving on to the 5th and final favorite of today's video. Did I tell you the size of them t-shirts? I don't know, but for reference, I picked them Weekday t-shirts up in a size large. I can't remember if I told you that. But yeah, the 5th and final favorite pickup of January is without doubt my current favorite pants. I absolutely love these pants. The fit of these is absolutely perfect. They're slightly high-waisted, they're obviously nice and long on the leg, nice and wide. They sit nicely on whatever sneakers you're wearing with them or whatever footwear you're wearing with them. They like kind of fall nicely onto them. And yeah, just everything about these trousers I absolutely love. So these are from Asos. They're from the Asos White collection, which obviously if you've watched my videos before, you know I absolutely love all the stuff from Asos White. So they are currently, unfortunately, not in sale or anything like that. So they're currently £55. But as you can see from the on bodies, 100% worth it. Just everything, the fit, the flowiness, everything about these trousers, I absolutely love. So yeah, the fifth and final favourite of today's video is the high-waisted grey pants from Asos. For reference, I got these, I think I got these in a 32-32. No, I got these in a 31-32. So yeah, if you feel like your body shape is anything like mine, I picked these up in a 31-32. And there we have it. That is my 5 favourite pickups that I copped in January. There we have it, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please smash that thumbs up button. Hit subscribe if you are new. Also, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. It's linked in one of the corners here, as well as down in the description down below. But yeah, if you want to see what I'm up to on more of a daily basis, kind of keep on top of my stories and my content and stuff like that, follow me on Instagram. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on Sunday. Peace.